Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV axle. Before beginning, prioritize your safety by gathering all necessary tools and personal protective equipment. Always use sturdy jack stands to securely support your vehicle once it is lifted. Remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any unexpected electrical issues during the repair process. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe experience for everyone involved. Now, let's get to removing the old axle. First, loosen the lug nuts and carefully take off the wheel. Next, you will need to remove the large axle nut and separate the lower ball joint from the steering knuckle. This allows the hub assembly to move freely. With the hub out of the way, gently pull the old CV axle from both the transmission and the wheel hub assembly. Be prepared for some transmission fluid to drip out. Installing the new CV axle requires precision. Carefully insert the new axle into the transmission, ensuring it fully seats with a distinct click. Then, guide the outer end of the axle through the wheel hub. Reattach the ball joint to the steering knuckle and secure it properly. Finally, tighten the new axle nut to the manufacturer's specified torque setting, which is typically several hundred foot-pounds, to prevent any loosening during operation. To finish up, reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts. Once the vehicle is safely lowered to the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts to their specified torque. It is crucial to check your transmission fluid level and add more if needed, as some may have been lost. Lastly, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm everything is working correctly and listen for any unusual sounds or vibrations. Congratulations on a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.